Hello students, today you will learn how to create a Microsoft Word document and save it to your desktop. So first what you need to do is you need to locate your Microsoft Word icon. So for example, on my computer I have a shortcut on my desktop, so I would just click this icon. However, if you don't see it on your desktop, you are going to go to the bottom left and you're going to type in the word Microsoft, and now see it appears up at the top. So I would click that one, and now I would click on the blank document option. So I'm going to click that. Now if you see at the top it says document 1, and what that means is that I need to go and change the name in order to save it. So how I would do that is I can do it two ways. I can go to this disk icon, or I can go to File, to the File tab. So I'm going to click on the File tab. Next, I'm going to click on Save As, and I am going to click on Browse. Okay, so now this window pops open, and I'm going to go to the left side and I will move this bar up to the top until I can see the word desktop. And what that means is that I am going to save it on my desktop. So I'm going to click this. Next, I will change the name. I will give this file a name, and the name of this file is going to be my last name, so Espinosa, and first name Monica, and level 3. Now if you notice, E, M, and L are capital letters, so don't forget to use the shift key plus the letter to make the capital letter. So if I wanted to make a capital E, I would hold down the shift key plus the E key at the same time to make a capital E. Once I've changed the name of the file, I will click Save, and now at the top it tells me that the name of my file is Espinosa Monica level 3. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to type the sentence, "We love learning English." I will put a capital letter and a period, and I have to make sure I save my work. So I can do that by clicking this disk icon at the top. So I will click it, and you're done. You can go ahead and close it. Alright, and you see that on the desktop I can see the file I just created.